The following aircraft have been shot down in the air near Zmyiny Island. One Ukrainian Su-24 bomber, one Su-27 fighter jet, three Mi-8 helicopters with paratroopers, and two Bayraktar TB2 unmanned aerial vehicles.
Militer Rusia merilis pasukan Ukraina gagal merebut Pulau Ular. Ukraina mengirim 2 jet tempur dan 3 heli Mi-8 mengangkut pasukan penerjun payung. Juga kapal serbu amfibi Stanislav Ukraina. Semuanya dieliminir pasukan Rusia. Berikut ini telah ditembak jatuh di udara dekat Pulau Zmyiny, 1 pembom Su-24 Ukraina, 1 jet tempur Su-27, 3 helikopter Ke-1018 dengan pasukan terjun payung dan 2 drone Bayraktar. Kapal serbu amfibi Ukraina Stanislav juga telah dihancurkan, kata juru bicara militer Rusia Majen Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur Minggu 8 Mei. Militer Rusia merilis foto-foto kerugian besar Ukraina setelah mencoba merebut Pulau Ular 2 hari sebelum perayaan Hari Kemenangan Rusia tanggal 8 Mei di Moskow. Pulau Zmyiny atau Pulau Ular, terletak sekitar 35 km di lepas pantai Laut Hitam Ukraina, dekat Delta Danube. Pulau ini memainkan peran penting selama sidang Mahkamah Internasional mengenai sengketa teritorial antara Ukraina dan Rumania. Di awal invasi, Rusia langsung menyerbu pulau ini dan menghancurkan peralatan militer Ukraina.
The following aircraft have been shot down in the air near Zmyiny Island. One Ukrainian Su-24 bomber, one Su-27 fighter jet, three Mi-8 helicopters with paratroopers, and two Bayraktar TB2 unmanned aerial vehicles. The Ukrainian amphibious assault boat Stanislav has also been destroyed. Missile troops and artillery have hit 31 command posts and 245 strongholds of Ukrainian troops, areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration. In total, 154 aircraft and 115 helicopters, 764 unmanned aerial vehicles, 296 anti-aircraft missile systems, 2,902 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 333 multiple launch rocket systems, 1,378 field artillery and motors, as well as 2,728 units of special military vehicles of the armed forces of Ukraine were destroyed during the operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.